Designed for artists, vocalists and producers, the Vocal Artistry and Music Production degree at dBs Institute supports artists to develop a distinctive vocal identity and gain the technical skills to take creative control of their sound. Whether you're focused on live performance, studio work, vocal arranging or genre-blending experimentation, you'll grow as a confident and self-sufficient artist. As well as tailored one-to-one vocal tuition that reflects your style, you'll explore the full spectrum of production, from DIY workflows to high-end studio sessions and collaborations with producers and engineers. In your first year, you'll build a strong foundation in music production, vocal technique and contemporary performance. You'll learn the essential skills in studio work, mixing and stage presence while beginning to define your own artistic style. One-to-one vocal tuition supports your technical development, while modules in studio craft and performance help you bridge the gap between live and recorded expression. In Year 2, you'll explore more advanced production tools, develop your vocal artistry, and begin to define your creative identity and brand. You'll refine your technical skills and broaden your stylistic palette through optional modules in advanced production, songwriting, and performance technologies. Your final year is all about realising your artistic vision and preparing for life after graduation. You'll undertake 2 major self-directed projects, one focused on developing an industry-ready portfolio that showcases your skills, professionalism and creative identity, and another that explores an area of innovative practice, allowing you to push boundaries, test new ideas, or experiment with emerging technologies. You'll also have the opportunity to explore optional modules in areas such as education and well-being, music industry management, or collaborative practice. Throughout the year, you'll refine advanced creative, technical, and entrepreneurial skills, positioning yourself as a multi-skilled, forward-thinking music professional. Graduates of this degree will leave dBs with all of the skills, knowledge, and confidence to make an impact on the music industry and pursue the career of their dreams.